Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be showing you how to apply for the fully funded scholarships in Brazil for the session 2026-2027. These scholarships are offered by the group of Brazilian universities and they are also known as GCUB scholarships for the international students for session 2026-2027 academics. We'll show the full process for this. How do you apply for this scholarship? Before that, let me remind you to subscribe to YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships here. You can see all the scholarship related content is posted there. The link for this fully funded scholarship in Brazil is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Uh, also, you can see in the about section of the YouTube, you can see the link fullscholarships.net or cashmere.com, and on Instagram stories or Instagram highlights, you can ask the team directly through the message for the link. So once you visit our website, you can read summary about this scholarship. So it is hosted in the Brazil and it's part of the United States. And this is the postgraduate masters and PhD scholarship. And all countries are eligible. So no IELTS is required for this. Will be fully funded with monthly stipends, travel costs and visa, and then will be medical insurance as well. So deadline to apply for this is July 6, 2026. So this international cooperation group of Brazilian universities is offering this scholarship for the session 2026-2027, and monthly stipends, travel costs, visa, medical insurance. This all will be covered under this, and you have to apply by the deadline, that's the 6th of July 2026. And there are certain universities which offer around 880 masters and doctoral degree uh, offered by around 55 of the Brazilian universities. So you have to submit an application in English language, then attach the documents. You should not be a citizen of Brazil, and you should at least be able to like afford your some of the costs that will be involved in this, and benefits will be, there will be no enrollment fees, there will be no application fees, there will be no academic fees, absolutely free to apply. So this is the best part of the application. So you have to just submit an online application form, and you have to submit the passport copy, CV, previous documents and transcripts, an essay, and Times New Roman it should be, and line spacing 1.5. That's common. You can do it in the Microsoft Word. And once you submit the application, if you have any queries, you can submit that gcub.mob at gcub.org.br for any inquiries. So in order to start the application, we are the first on the YouTube to bring you this process, and application started just 25 May. Uh, so I have just started the process so that you can apply early as possible. So click here to apply in order to start the application. So once you click on that, so once you click on the apply button, you can see the official website of the corporation of the Brazilian universities. Here you can see this is the fifth edition of the International Mobility Program call for the application. This is one of the 2026 session, and you can see 880, around 900 masters and doctorate degrees will be offered. 900 scholarships will be offered by the Brazilian university. Around 62 Brazilian universities, about which 25 are the public, and the deadline is 6th of the July to apply. So you can see all the details regarding the links to apply, everything is given here. So if you have any confusions, you can check out them here. So scroll down, you can see application form. So click on this here, and I'll this open this in a new tab here, so that we can fill the application form for this. In order to have any confusion, so you can check out the call PDF here. But we already have discussed this, and you can see clearly it's mentioned that there is no application fee. And once you tap on the application form, you have to select the language you wish to fill in the application form. So we'll select the English as the preferred language. You can see only one application per candidate is applicable, so you don't have to fill in duplicate application. Then you have to fill the six sections of the application form here, and you can see uh, now the first section is the personal data. That's the first name you have to fill in here, and then the last name. So one by one you have to complete all the sections here. Now select the gender, and then all these details must be reflecting same as in mentioned in your passport here. So let's go to the birth year here, and one by one you have to fill in the details here. So I have filled in. Select the country of origin, select that. Country of residence, select that, and then scroll down a little bit. Full address, you have to mention that here. This should be as per the passport. Then the email, and then email to. Let's keep it as same, and then you can mention the country code here, and then the phone number. After that, we'll select the document type here. Select the document type. We'll select the passport. Country of issuing, you have to mention that. And then you mention the document number and expiration date of this. So I have selected passport. So you can just select any other document if you have. So we'll just submit random date here. So now let me upload the document first. So I'll just submit one of the documents here. And after that, do you need disabilities? You have to mention that here. You have to be clear about this. And then emergency contact name and relationship. Uh, then the country code. So you mention that here. And then the phone number. After that, emergency contact email details. And then click on next. Okay, phone number is required here. So now I'll click on next. And now select the language fluency. I'll just select the language fluency here. Then click on next. So then select the bachelor's degree here. So one by one you just submit that. Okay, only PDF can be okay. Okay, so I had selected the PDF only. Now we'll just submit the master degree if you have. Else you just submit the transcripts. Submit that here and certify that I'm not currently receiving any scholarship from the Brazil. And after you acknowledge, click on next. Any professional experience you have, you can just submit that now. Else you submit the uh, CV or resume and proof of institutional affiliation if you have any. This is mandatory for the professors. Now you have the list of available universities and programs. You can select that. So option one will just go with the University of Brazil, University de Brasilia, and select one of the programs here. So you can just copy paste this and do the translation. Now I'll submit the essay for the medicine subject that I have chosen here, and I'll select that. Then the essay 2. So all the files must be in PDF with the Times New Roman font around 12 points and 1.5 of the line space. So you can submit 2 or 3 options as a choice, then click on next. So whatever you keep in the first preference, if that's available to you, you'll be offered that. Scroll down, certify that you are in a good physical and mental health, and once you're ready, you review the application and you can simply click on submit. And you can see I have clicked on submit application, and it should be done now. You can see your application has been successfully sent with the application number. You can see, save this number to track your application later on. We also have received a email that application has been submitted successfully. So if you have noticed that Gmail has recently changed their logo to the gradient color, and you can see Yeah, we have received the confirmation. You should also receive the same. In case you have any confusions, ask us in the comment section, and you can directly message us on Instagram, and our team is there to assist you. In case you have any confusions in choosing the university or how to choose a program, prior to submission of this form, you can directly message our team on Instagram, or you can directly check out the universities in the Brazil that are participating in this GCUB scholarship, and you can shortlist your program and then select that in the same form and apply for the admissions as well as scholarship form. So this is a combined form you have to fill in. In case you still could not figure it, you can just write us on Instagram. Our team is there. But before remembering, before sending us a message, remember you should follow and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this session. Please visit our website fullscholarships.net and support the ecosystem that we are bringing the videos on your screen so that you utilize this social media for the career, and you do not waste any another year of your time. And with this, I'm signing off, hoping that you apply and visit our website fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.